Two chatbot powerhouses, ManyChat and Voiceflow. One question, which one really delivers? On the left, ManyChat, effortless social media chatbot automation. And on the right, Voiceflow, advanced conversational AI for voice and chat. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, so here's our little roadmap. We're going to dive into 6 main categories: core focus, ease of use, AI features, channel support, pricing, and best use case. Trust me, by the end, you'll totally know which one fits your project. So first, let's talk core focus. ManyChat is all about dominating social media and messaging automation. If you want something for marketing, sales, or just basic customer support bots, seriously, it nails that. But don't expect any epic voice assistant stuff here. It's not made for those custom fancy AI assistants. Now, shifting over to Voiceflow, you get this powerhouse for building voice and multi-channel AI experiences. You know, Alexa, Google Assistant, web chatbots, the whole shebang. But real talk, if you're just doing simple marketing bots, it might be a bit much. Both absolutely slay their respective domains. So I gotta say, this one's honestly a tie. All right, ease of use. ManyChat's got that drag and drop builder. Seriously, I set up my first bot in like 5 minutes. Tons of templates, super visual flows. But if you're one of those folks who want mega advanced AI tricks, it's a bit limited. Now, for Voiceflow, you get this no-code canvas that feels intuitive. But here's the catch. You're supporting advanced flows, API connects, like intent mapping, all the geeky stuff, which means the learning curve is definitely a tad steeper, especially if you're not a dev or product team. So if you want quick wins and something your cousin could figure out, man, ManyChat takes the win here. Now we're getting spicy with AI features. ManyChat does rich messaging, keyword stuff, and some basic integrations. Works fine for what it does, but when it comes to actual deep conversation, like GPT-style multi-turn chats, or using real natural language processing, yeah, it falls kind of short. Voiceflow, though? Oh, and here's something cool. You can build legit GPT-like assistants, use NLP, do deep API stuff, and even collaborate with a team. That's nuts if you want more than just a bot that spits out canned replies. But honestly, if you only need a super basic chatbot, all those power features might be total overkill. For serious AI, Voiceflow flexes and grabs the win. No contest.
Quick pause. Did you know ManyChat actually powers over 1 million businesses on Messenger and Instagram? That's wild. And Voiceflow? Used by Fortune 500 product teams to build out AI assistants. Honestly, that's some serious street cred.
For channel support, ManyChat just dominates the social scene. We're talking Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, email, you name it. But don't look for native voice assistants. That's a hard nope. Switching over, Voiceflow supports Alexa, Google Assistant, web apps, all that smart speaker and custom integration jazz. But it doesn't do dedicated social channel automation. So if you want to blitz your socials, ManyChat is your friend. And honestly, the winner here. If voice is your thing, sure, Voiceflow. But overall, social channels win for most small businesses.
Let's hit up pricing.
Man, ManyChat brings the deals. Free plan, paid options kick off at about $15 a month. Pretty awesome for small teams or solo marketers, right? If you want enterprise stuff, yeah, price goes up, but still way accessible. Voiceflow? They do offer a free prototyping plan, which is nice. But if you want all those advanced or enterprise features, let's just say it's not exactly budget-friendly. The pricing is like made with big teams in mind. So overall, ManyChat is just more wallet-friendly. That's a win right there.
Last on our list, best use case. ManyChat absolutely rocks for lead capture, customer support, and automated marketing on socials. But if you're dreaming up some next-gen AI conversational app, not the tool for you. Voiceflow? It's perfect for building voice and web chatbots, custom AI agents, or even rolling out full enterprise-grade support. If you're only doing marketing, maybe it's overkill. But for anything more complicated, it shines. But honestly, each platform is the best for their own crowd. So, gotta call this one a tie. So, if we look at the radar of strengths, ManyChat is blasting forward in ease of use, pricing, and channel support, while Voiceflow
just rules on AI features and advanced multi-channel stuff. You can really see where each stacks up. All right, final thoughts. If you just want to crush social channel automation or get leads without fuss, ManyChat is literally made for you. But if your dream bot needs to do crazy AI stuff, talk on Alexa or Google Home, and basically be its own super assistant, then hands down, Voiceflow's your pick. Figure out your main goal first, and the choice is easy. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next